Hi, this is Dr. Mercola, and today I'd like to talk to you about how you can help support your liver. Why? Because your liver is your largest internal organ, and its primary function is to help protect your body from toxins that you eat or are exposed to in the environment, such as pollution. Now, a healthy liver is also crucial for other things too, including controlling your hormones and regulating the amounts of sugar, protein, and fat that enters your bloodstream. And many people don't realize that once you are burning fat for fuel, the body's liver is going to produce ketones, which serve as important signaling molecules that help fuel your body optimally. Now, there's no question that your liver works hard to protect you 24/7. It has to address the toxins found in your food, water, air, and even your living environment. Now, fortunately, there are a few simple strategies you can implement to help support your liver. The first and most obvious one is to restrict your alcohol, because excess has clearly been associated with liver damage. And I would also strongly recommend to avoid acetaminophen, which has again been associated with liver damage, especially in excess. Now, restricting your intake of processed foods, including fructose from all sources, and limiting it to about 15 to 25 grams a day was another good strategy, because it's associated with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a very common problem in the United States. Now, avoiding or minimizing contact with toxic chemicals is another good strategy. So stay away from pesticides, cleansers, paint, solvents. And another source of liver damage would be the plasticizers found in plastic, like BPA and phthalates. So don't store your food in plastic containers. Use glass instead. And when you're considering food, eat real food. Stay away from processed food, because that's another good strategy, because foods like fermented vegetables, dark leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, sprouts, artichokes, garlic, onions, avocados, these are all tremendous foods to help support your liver. So if you've had a hard time implementing some of these strategies and lifestyle changes, or you need a simple way to help support your liver a bit more, then you can use the following 3 nutrients, which are really profoundly helpful: N-acetylcysteine, milk thistle extract, and organic broccoli sprout powder. We've actually put all these important nutrients into our liver support supplement. These nutrients help restore your glutathione stores. Why is that important? Because glutathione is one of the most important antioxidants and factors in your detoxification arsenal. It's used to help protect your cells' mitochondria from any significant damage, and your mitochondria are crucial for your health. Also, aging, alcohol, and drugs like acetaminophen and contaminants can all deplete your glutathione stores. It really is crucial to get that glutathione level where it needs to be. Now, it'd be great if you can swallow and take a glutathione supplement directly, but that doesn't work because it's a really fragile, small molecule, and your enzymes in your stomach will break it down before you absorb it intact into your blood. So this is the primary reason and the strategy we chose to put together our liver support formula, because it provides your body with the building blocks so it can make the appropriate amount of glutathione that your body needs to optimize the detoxification process. Now, that's one of the primary reasons why our liver support can help minimize the negative effects of environmental pollutants and stressors that you encounter every day. It can help your liver excrete potentially damaging substances before they cause even greater harm. So if your liver needs more assistance, please consider liver support to help you take control of your health.